everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Amazon Mini TV series. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is go to this website, Amazon Mini TV, and from here you can choose whatever series or whatever movie you would like to download. So let's say I'll download this one. Tap on the button to watch the series. Now that you've chosen an episode, what you're gonna do next is copy the link of the video. So just select and copy. After that, go to this website. This is where we're going to paste the link and download the video. So just paste the link we copied from Amazon Mini TV, and once done, just press go. And that's basically it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you like this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!